One of the most beautiful Greek islands, Lefkada, is situated in the Ionian Sea and is connected to the mainland by a little bridge. Lefkada, commonly known as the Caribbean of Greece, is the ultimate fantasy location for everyone interested in visiting exotic islands because it is easily accessible by car, has one of the most beautiful natural landscapes and some of the most picturesque beaches. Lefkada is a diverse island that is gradually growing its tourism industry. Due to the strong winds that blow in several bays in the afternoons throughout the summer, windsurfing and kiteboarding are the most popular activities on the island. The beaches of Agios Ioannis and Vassiliki are the best places to surf in Lefkada. There are some surf shops there that lend out gear and provide instruction. Diving is another activity that is gradually growing on the island of Lefkada. Some beaches like the Industry Beach are also set up with water sports facilities and entertaining activities. Lefkada's landscape is mountainous and provides excellent opportunities for hiking and mountain biking. Old hiking paths that go to mountain villages, little woodlands and waterfalls are marked with signs. Local businesses also organize cycling and mountain bike tours, which range in difficulty. The adjacent island of Ionian Sea is also included in some bicycle excursions. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Porto Katsiki, one of the island's most popular beaches, is also one of the best in Greece and the Mediterranean. It is near to the village of Atani and is about 44 kilometers southwest of the island's capital. One of the most striking themes for which Lefkada is renowned is the natural splendor of Porto Katsiki. In a striking contrast to the Ionian Sea's deep blue seas, abrupt white cliffs create a wild but gorgeous backdrop. The surrounding area is covered in lush vegetation, providing one of the most picturesque settings on Earth. This well-known sandy beach is covered in numerous sunbeds and umbrellas, yet the cliffs provide some lovely shaded areas for some quiet and peaceful sunbathing. You can get to the shore by taking a few steps. For thousands of tourists from around the world, Porto Katsiki is just fascinating and offers a distinctive sightseeing opportunity. Apart from driving a car, it is simply the finest way to get to this beach and is frequently used by private yachts. From the villages of Vassiliki and Industry, a taxi boat can take you there as well. On top of the stairs are a parking lot, bars and tavernas. Agios Nikita's village's southernmost beach, Milos Beach, is a well-kept secret. It was difficult to get to until a few years ago, which was ideal for anyone who preferred to avoid crowds. It is still a stunning, pristine location with glistening sand. These days there are two ways to get there, by boat from Agios Nikitas or by walking the two paths that circle the village. The coastline of Milos is partly covered in sand and partly in white pebbles. The sea entrance is soft and the bottom is shallow. Without any tourist facilities, it is a wild but cozy beach. That means you should take care yourself with water, an umbrella and other beach supplies. There are several places to stay around the beach with a view of the water for those who want to stay the night. Every visitor to the Milos Beach will experience the greatest relaxation thanks to the picturesque views of unspoiled environment, the beautiful and translucent water and total privacy.